When risk isn't measured, danger is ignored, women ask for help and the harm they face is dismissed. Police are called and no action is taken. That's why we created the Advocate Dashboard, a storytelling interface for legal intervention in DV cases. What is this about? It's a DV support app that looks like a simple game, but behind it is real help so that survivors can journal, chat with a warm assistant, and see live a risk score. Everything is privacy first, and the data we analyze is anonymized. It's a safe, hidden support app for DV survivors. It looks like a game so that the abusers wouldn't recognize it. So the users can journal and chat with an AI assistant tuned for warmth and safety. A risk score updates in real time through self harm statements, threats, weapons, or strangulation references from the user. Protective factors in the journal and chat also lower it. The users can optionally add context like children present, location type, and other, like substance use for more accurate analysis. Journals are end to end encrypted and the chat persists across refreshes. Entering the PIN you have set during the sign up lets you inside the app so the abusers wouldn't have access to it. The tech is set up on Vercel, the web app is on Vercel, Fast API backend on Fly.io, Neon Postgres with encryption at rest. We stream anonymized events to Salesforce Data Cloud through Cloud Ingestion API so the teams can track trends and build Tableau reports. We use natural language processing to retrieve threat flags and other feature rich data through chat and journals for building our beautiful dashboard in Tableau next. After we collect this data from our chat, you may ask what happens next. I'm going to walk you through the Advocate dashboard, a system designed to turn fragmented incidents into a clear, structured story that legal advocates can use to better support victims of domestic violence. On this first dashboard, we begin with two filters: escalation flags and lethality level. This instantly highlights victims' rising risk already in a critical category. In the center, key metrics like total victims, new high risk cases in the past 3 months, and cases involving children. Together, this gives us a sense of scale and urgency. On the left, a gender distribution chart shows demographic patterns. The victim table displays escalation index, urgency indicators, children percent, and abuse frequency, helping advocates quickly spot these cases needing immediate action. On the right, a bar chart by city reveals where high risk cases are concentrated, guiding resource allocation. With the Tableau's action button, users can jump directly to that city shelter page. At the bottom, two more views deepen context: a bar chart of abuse types by escalation status, showing what drives risk, and a line chart of monthly incidents, exposing whether cases are trending upward or stabilizing. Now, going to the victim story dashboard, zooming into a single case, we start with the victim profile, gender, address, children, total incidents, and days since the last one. Below that are critical safety signals. Each block, weapons, threats, stalking, children, recent escalation, lights up red when present, creating a visual safety signature. The incident timeline plots each event by type with a color coded dots for abuse types to reveal patterns. A donut chart shows proportions of emotional, financial, and physical abuse. To the right, the escalation line chart tracks rising danger over time. Finally, the incident log documents every event: date, abuse type, location, lethality, and risk points. For advocates and lawyers, this transforms raw accounts into structured, usable evidence. What makes this especially powerful is Tableau Next Concierge. Instead of just reading charts, advocates can ask questions in plain language like which month has the most number of victims in rising escalation category, or who are the victims in high risk level living in San Jose, and get back instant answers with the right chart or insight. It turns dashboards into conversations with the data, saving time and enabling faster action. We are also excited about the upcoming Inspector feature. It will proactively monitor dashboards and trigger alerts when scores like escalation index spike beyond the threshold. That means no delay waiting for someone to notice. Authorities and case workers can be alerted in real time. For victims, that speed could be life saving. In summary, every chart here has a purpose: to reveal abuse patterns, highlight red flag signals, and turn lived experiences into structured evidence. These dashboards help advocates and lawyers act faster, argue stronger, and ultimately keep victims safer. Thank you for your attention. If you're interested in learning more, get in touch with us. Donate, partner, and follow us.